Welcome.
To the Great Library Bake Off.
This is it, bakers. For your final challenge,
We would love to see your best show-stopping literary layer cake.
it can be any style of cake, any flavor, any shape.
But it must have more than one layer and have some element of bookishness about it.
It can be themed in either flavor or appearance after a favorite book or character. It can be inspired by a book cover.
Or it could even be a tribute cake to your favorite local library,
Please submit a photo of your whole cake.
as well as an individual slice showing the texture and layers.
As always, instructions are in the post.
You will have 2 weeks to complete this Showstopper challenge. On your mark,
Get set.
bake! Bake!